Good day, everyone. Today, we're going to show you an example of a leadership style called laissez-faire leadership. The phrase laissez-faire comes from French, which means let it be or let them do it. In leadership, it's a style where the leader gives the team full freedom to decide and work on their own. Let's see how this looks in action.
Hello, Mark? Pumunta kayo naman dito sa office. May meeting tayo.
Sige ma'am, papunta na ako kami ma'am.
Good morning, team. May project tayo due next week. But this time, hindi na ako magbibigay ng step-by-step na utos. Kayo na bahala kung ano ito gagawin.
Ayos yan, ma'am. Ako na lang gagawa ng research part.
Ako naman sa presentation slides, gagawin kong super creative, may animation at sound effect pa.
Ha? Wala ba instruction din ma'am? Wala rin fix na plano.
Exactly, Leo. Gusto ko kayo mismo ang mag-decide.
Pero paano kung makaibag lahat ng ginawa namin? Baka hindi makunin lahat.
Siyempre lang, Leo. Freedom ito. Pwede mo gawin yung best para sa atin.
Oo nga, it's a chance to show kung gaano ka responsible at creative.
Ang dali nilang sabihin, ako, hindi ko nga alam kung saan ako magsisimula.
Okay lang yan, Leo. Kayo na bahala kung paano yan gagawin.
Kaya lang, tulungan mo kung may organize ng data, ng mga research ko. Malaking tulong yan para sa flow ng report natin.
Sige, kaya ko yan.
Ayos yan. Once na-manage yung data approach, pwede kong gagawa yung slides.
Sige, i-bits ko na.
Alam nyo, gagawin kong mas colorful yung slide natin at may rainbow transition. Tapos, bawat slide may sound effect. Boom!
Ano? Baka mas lalong matawa si ma'am yan, imbis ma-impress.
Oo nga yan, kunti na lang. Keep it simple pero maganda.
Okay, fine. Siguro isang explosion effect na lang sa ending. Naku po!
As you can see, Cruz, Mark, and Ryan felt motivated by the freedom given to them. They knew what to do and took initiative. But Leo, on the other hand, felt a little unsure without clear direction.
At yan ang challenge ng laissez-faire leadership. Maganda siya kung responsable at skilled ang team. Pero kung hindi, pwede maging magulo.
So ma'am, I think these styles help us learn responsibility.
At syempre, mas creative tayo dahil wala sobrang restriction.
Gets ko na rin, nakakatakot siya sa simula, pero tinutulungan ako na magtiwala sa sarili ko.
And that is laissez-faire leadership, a hands-off approach that gives freedom and independence to the team. It encourages creativity and responsibility, but it also has risk if the group is not prepared.
Minsan, the best leadership is stepping back and letting the team shine.